Good morning, everyone. It has been observed that our company sales have been declining over the past 1 year. What is the problem with our company? The number of waters that we have been selling, it's been really good. What is the problem?
As per this report, 30% of our cost is due to the secondary water purifier. 2 years before we didn't have that and we were doing good. I think because of this particular secondary water purifier, profits are declining.
Secondary water purifier?
Yes, sir.
So, but we incorporated secondary water purifier just to do away with all the harmful chemicals. And now it is the most integral part of the system. Because of this, we don't have any content of harmful chemicals, and whenever someone consumes it, there will be no reason of casualty. And if we just for reducing cost, if we remove this secondary water purifier, it can be fatal to children. It can cause disease to adults. We cannot just do away.
Wait. Don't give me all that ethical thing over here right now. It's business. Let me really understand what the impact is. Doctor, can you elaborate?
Yeah, I have a lab report with me out here, and this says that the chances of a product causing harm to humans is 1 in 1,000.
Okay. 1 in 1,000. That's not substantial. What are we doing over here?
Sir, but death is death, sir.
Wait,
We are
don't teach me business over here. Don't teach me business over here.
Sir, this is death, sir.
The whole point is that we are doing away with this secondary water purifier system, which is adding 30% of the cost, and it's India. Over here, you can have little substandard norms.
Sir, but
people are immune to the things. Let me do my business.
Sir, have you seen the reports? What has happened, sir? Due to our dust bottle, what has happened?